Okay, so I went for a walk and then I saw this package sitting outside and I'm quite excited about it. I went for a walk because it was beautiful outside. And coming back to this lovely package. I am so excited. Okay. Oh, look at that. So this is the one that is translated to Hungarian. Thank you so much, everybody, for doing that. And this is the original copy in English. So I'm actually holding this in my hands. And actually right here, I have the Korean one. So here's a Korean, Hungarian, and here's English. Why does it grow? So anyway, there you go. And I'm still waiting for the Japanese one and complex Chinese one. But I am so excited, and obviously for any reasonable person to do when you get a new book. Flip it in the middle of it and smell it. Thank you so much. I love it.